I'm Mikey Newman. I run a YouTube channel called Film Joy, and I do a show called Movies with Mikey. I used to make video games, and someday I hope to again.
Hi, my name is Jacob Burgess. I am a voice actor. I am a games writer. I help run a video game publisher called Gisford Games. So I help make video games, and I hope one day not to, which, you know, is the cycle. Yeah, you can check out my website at Make Words Happen, and I had a video game come out yesterday.
Yeah!
Shadows Over Loathing, I believe it was. I did the casting and directing on that.
Right on.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Well done.
There you go. That's me. Hi. I was a special guest for 1 year, and then they made me do this.
Yeah.
That's what happened to me, dude.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh.
Yeah, that's how they get you.
Yeah, that waiver.
I had to
you
go
don't
to
sign
Canada.
It.
It's like 4 from Texas.
I'm Canadian now. That's what happened. I got my citizenship months ago. I'm actually now Canadian. Dude.
I'm not. Unless being here makes me Canadian.
No.
We wish it worked that way, but it does not.
Oh, well,
Eventually. You're just looking into your future now at this point. I'm so sorry.